Insulet Tales of the Beyond presents The Alternate Angles of Superdimensional Analysis, Chapter 1, From Armageddon to Genesis, by Original Manny. The Bible is a scripture that begins with Genesis and ends with Armageddon. However, we propose that the proper order of biblical wisdom is the contrary, where we are in a universe of Armageddon, but aiming to cross over into Genesis. The semi-existent pre-reality, which we call the universe, and in which we function, is a filter where the ever is separated from the never. This means that the true existence of ever belongs beyond and after this universe of Armageddon, where the filtering of the ever takes place. It is amply evident that while there are objects that enjoy relative architectural permanence, living beings only enjoy a constant but temporary metamorphosis. A living being is never a permanent architectural configuration. The energy we absorb during life is consumed by this very process of metamorphosis. This means that life in the universe is not an architecture. It is rather a process that begins and ends. There is no scientific way of saying that the universe exists without a witness to confirm it. Therefore, the very fact that the witnesses can only testify of its existence for just a small amount of time points to the semi-existent and partially real nature of this universe. If our universe were a permanent architecture, then we would be in a true Genesis. However, because destruction is part of the nature of this universe, it becomes obvious that we are in a universe of Armageddon, meaning a universe in a conflict of existence. The question that remains is, why do we enter this universe at all? The answer is, we come to decide freely whether this universe will be our last or just a step towards the real and eternal one awaiting us beyond.